Welcome back. Who says people retire after life's second innings? Mahatma Gandhi fought for freedom struggle after his second innings. This was the best example given by Chairman of Fomento Resources Avadhut Timlo at the 3rd anniversary of Old Age Day Care Centre at Bicholi.
Second innings, an old age daycare centre celebrated its 3rd anniversary. This centre is run by Baba Savekar Seva Trust and Lions Club of Bicholi. Chairman of Fomento Resources Avadhut Timlo, Dr. Shekhar Salkar, Ramakant Shetye and others were present at the function.
Second innings society उपयोग भरपूर उपयोग असतो. 1915 मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी साऊथ आफ्रिकेसून मुंबई आयले. ताचे वय 45 आशिल्लें. तो फर्स्ट इनिंग्स आशिल्लें. स्वतंत्र जाता म्हळ्यार तो 80 पावलो. म्हणजे सेकंड इनिंग्स आनी तो थर्ड इनिंग्स आसतलो. आनी तेन्ना इंडिपेंडन्स मेळ्ळें. आनी ताणें जें मेन काम केलें ते सेकंड इनिंग्साक केलें.
Senior citizens advocate Raghoba Fatte, Mahadev Dicholkar and Mahadev Parab were felicitated on the occasion. Our reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
And now news from sports. Close on the heels of the J-League Tour of Japan, Salgaonkar Sports Club players along with assistant coach Peter Valles visited the Caritas Orphanage home on Monday. The players spent some quality time with the lesser fortunate children. This was a community-centric activity for the Green Brigade, a relatively unheard of trend in India. While such activities are common with European clubs, Salgaonkar Sports Club have set the ball rolling in Indian football.
These are children affected by HIV. It is sad enough that these children bear a stigma in society. Hence, Salgaonkar Sports Club's visit to them was a welcoming change. The Goa Marriott Resort were instrumental in making this unique event possible. The children put up a few dance performances for the Green Brigade. Thereafter, the Green Brigade and their assistant coach Peter Valles exchanged a few penalty kicks with the children.
Firstly, I would like to thank Father Valeriano for giving us an opportunity to come here and share the joy of winning our Federation Cup with these children. As you know, these children are affected by a very incurable disease. So we would like to spend some time with them. We would like to enjoy. We would like to give them some happiness.
Activities that you plan to hold for these children with regards to your sports club?
With regards to our sports club, this activity is a part of our community development program, and we would like to take it forward, take it to the next level. Just as a thought, we would like to take these children for the matches. We would like them to hold the hands of our players, and then walk to the center of the ground, and just the way how it is, so that the children get a feel of something special, and they just have a good time. So we just want them to be happy.
This time the Salgaonkar Football Club has joined hands with us, and that's something that we're really thrilled about. Obviously they've had huge success in the last few weeks. So the club, the hotel, we've been down here today playing football with the kids. They've been performing for us. We've had an opportunity to hand over a small cheque of money which has been raised by the staff of the hotel. And as always when we interact with these children, it's a really fun time for the team, and I think it's been a great day for everybody.
From TV, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
An exciting fifth round of the Professional League saw Salgaonkar Sports Club stopped in their tracks by Flaming Orange as Sporting defeated them by 2-1. Over at Duler, Santa Cruz Club of Cavalosi were held by Goa Velia. With this draw, Cavalosi have been displaced from the top spot and replaced by Sporting Club, while Goa Velia have moved away from the bottom spot of the league standings.
Red hot after thrashing East Bengal 3-1, Salgaonkar Sports Club took to the field with a different belief in themselves. Mehraj Wadu got Salgaonkar off the mark in the 12th minute itself when he headed the ball into Salgaonkar's net. 13 minutes later, Vitorino Fernandes scored yet another time this season to get Flaming Orange on level terms. Both teams headed into the first half break locked at 1 goal apiece. In the second half, a tricky tackle by Salgaonkar defender gave Sporting a penalty. Freeman Peixoto made no mistake. Sporting won 2 goals to 1.
I think we played a very bad first half. That's where I think we lost the game. Second half we tried to recover, but it wasn't possible. Our finishing wasn't good. I thought we didn't have an impact on the final third. But the most important is I like the attitude of the team on the second half. First half was disaster, but second half we tried to pick up the pieces. But it was too late. That penalty also 2-1, so it's okay.
Salgaonkar is also a very good team, but my boys played well. My boys played according to our system, according to our planification, and they played all out. That is why. And it is not an easy job to my players to defeat such a good team. But I feel happy by the performance of my players, and I wanted to give my appreciation to the team behind the team.
Over at Duler, Goa Valia's efforts were on to dislodge themselves from the bottom rung of the Pro League table. The side in green and red were pegged back by Santa Cruz Club of Cavalosi in the 24th minute when Dixon Rocktown scored in the 32nd minute. Around the stroke of half-time, an acrobatic dive across the goal from Randall Dias brought Goa Valia on level terms. The match ended 1-1. From Mapsa, our reporter Shamsundar Fatte and Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.